Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Friends, in this video I am going to show you how to print both sides in Canon LBP 151DW printer in Ubuntu 22.04. So to print this document on both sides, press Ctrl P on the keyboard to get the printer dialog box, and after that we have to click Properties. As you see, duplex is off. Now we have to change it to on long edge binding, and then you have to click on OK button, and after that you have to click print button. Let's check whether the printer is printing both sides or not. You see, it is printing both sides. So friends, in this way you can set up your printer for both side printing or two-sided printing. So thanks for watching this video. Also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you very much.